Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure email notifications in Gmail using filters, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure email notifications in Gmail using filters, start by opening your Gmail account in a web browser. Once you are logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click on Create a new filter. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to specify the criteria for your filter. You can enter an email address, subject line, or specific keywords to filter emails. After specifying your criteria, click on the Create Filter button at the bottom right of the pop-up. In the next window, you will see various options for how to handle these emails. To receive notifications, check the box next to Apply the label. You can create a new label by choosing New Label from the drop-down. Name your label and click Create. Additionally, to ensure you see notifications, check the box next to Star it. You may also check other boxes like Mark as Important or Never Send it to Spam, depending on your needs. Once you've selected all desired options, click the Create Filter button at the bottom. This will save your filter and apply it to future incoming emails. Now that your filter is set up, navigate back to the gear icon and select Settings. In the General tab, scroll down to find Desktop Notifications. Choose either New Mail Notifications On or Important Mail Notifications On, depending on your preference. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to apply the notification settings. Your Gmail is now configured to send notifications for filtered emails. As new emails arrive that meet your specified criteria, you will receive alerts based on your settings. This setup helps streamline your inbox management and highlights important messages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.